Hello ladies and gentlemen of the internet. We're going to do something a little bit different on the channel today, and we're going to open some presents that Cam has wonderfully sent to me. The first one is a microphone, and then the second one is a little handheld camera holder slash phone camera holder. I think I'm going to open this one first because then we can try it out during the video and see if you can tell the difference. So yeah, we'll start by getting into it. I actually got these about a week ago, and I was under the impression that they were going to be a lot smaller, so I cycled to Richard to go and collect them, and didn't bring a bag, and then ended up cycling about 35 kilometres back to my house with them tucked into my bib shorts, which wasn't particularly comfortable. So what we've got in here is a cable, another cable, which I think they do the same thing, the little wind hood, or pretty big wind hood, and then inside there is the microphone that goes on the top. We have a little, whatever it's called, a little holder for the microphone, and then it stops it sort of flopping around. And then here is just a little bag to hold it all in, and the instructions, which we don't need. So I'm going to plug it all in and try it out, and hopefully you'll be able to tell the difference. So the microphone is now fitted. My glamorous assistant, Charlotte, is currently holding both, because I think the thing that it screws onto on this is actually in this box, so I can't have it mounted properly at the moment. Right, we'll get into this one. I don't think it's quite as easy as the last one. But
just for everyone who is listening, this was difficult to clip on, and we did try and use the instructions, but there are no instructions in the instruction booklet.
Yeah, the instruction booklet basically just tells you what everything is, and that's pretty much it. And then the rest of it is just loads of different languages. So there's about 1 page of useful information, and the rest of it is fairly arbitrary. So in the box we have the actual mount, the tripod, which is also obviously a little handheld thing. This is a little Bluetooth like startup and whatever stop thing, and then this is the actual phone holder, and then in the top of it, it's got a little threaded nut for the camera, for the microphone to go into. So if we just get it all out, we can get the microphone fitted, and then we can turn into full cam vlog mode, maybe, if I can do it. I think this one's probably easier to assemble than the last one. Like Charlotte said, the microphone was a little bit sort of, it felt like I was going to break it when I put it in, just because you have to sort of force it in. I don't know whether that is just me feeling like I'm going to do that, or whether it's actually potentially going to break. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This little Bluetooth, whatever it's called. What's it called? A remote. It's called a remote. My brain just having a little bit of a brain fart there. It has its own little place on the arm to go. So if you want to, you can, instead of touching your phone, you can start it with a little button there, or you can obviously have it on your keys or whatever. But yeah, I'll put this down, and then Charlotte can have our arms free and stop having to hold the camera. Hello YouTubers! So it didn't go quite as much to plan as I'd hoped, because the two things aren't compatible. The little microphone is just here. So I rang Cam to ask him whether he knew what to do with it, and because he's a little bit more tech savvy than I am, and he said to tape them together, which is not the best thing to do. So I'm going to think of a little way that I can sort of put these two together, whether it's by something different, or I don't know, screwing them together or whatever, but we'll get it figured out. If you like this video, then give it a little like. If you didn't, then still give it a like. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.